Have you ever watched a machine so massive that it makes a fully loaded dump truck look small? Well, that's exactly what you're about to see. In today's video, the incredible Caterpillar CAT 6015B hydraulic mining excavator goes to work, loading heavy Mercedes and MAN trucks with astonishing speed and precision. Every bucket is packed with tons of rock and soil, and thanks to its huge capacity, this giant can often load a truck in just 2 passes. If you're a fan of heavy equipment and powerful mining machines, you're in for a treat. The CAT 6015B is one of Caterpillar's most impressive hydraulic mining excavators. Built for demanding mining operations around the world, this machine combines enormous digging power with fast cycle times to move huge amounts of material every hour. At first glance, the excavator's size is almost unbelievable. Its massive tracks, oversized boom, and giant bucket are all designed to handle some of the toughest jobs in the mining industry. As the operator positions the machine, you can immediately notice how smooth and controlled every movement is. Even though the CAT 6015B weighs hundreds of tons, the hydraulic system allows it to move with remarkable precision. The operator carefully lowers the bucket into the material, filling it with a massive load of rock and dirt. In just a few moments, the bucket is completely full and ready for the next step. Now comes one of the most satisfying parts of the operation. The giant boom slowly rises, lifting an enormous amount of material high into the air. Hydraulic cylinders extend smoothly, carrying the load toward the waiting truck. Every movement is carefully controlled because efficiency is everything in a mining operation. Time spent loading trucks directly affects productivity, and machines like the CAT 6015B are designed to keep the material moving. As the bucket reaches the truck, the operator carefully positions it over the bed. Then the bucket opens, releasing a massive stream of rock and soil. Tons of material crash into the truck, creating clouds of dust and a thunderous sound that echoes across the mining site. Watching this process never gets old because it perfectly demonstrates the raw power of modern mining equipment. One of the reasons the CAT 6015B is so impressive is its bucket capacity. Depending on the material being handled and the bucket configuration, it can move an enormous amount of earth with every cycle. This allows the excavator to load large mining trucks quickly and efficiently. In many operations, reducing the number of passes needed to fill a truck saves valuable time and fuel while increasing overall productivity. The operator immediately swings the machine back toward the digging face for another load. Despite the excavator's incredible size, the swing movement is surprisingly smooth and fast. Advanced hydraulic controls help the machine maintain speed while keeping the bucket stable. This combination of power and precision is one of the reasons hydraulic mining excavators have become so popular around the world. As the bucket digs into the material again, it's easy to appreciate the engineering behind this machine. The bucket teeth are designed to penetrate hard ground and fractured rock, while the powerful hydraulic cylinders provide tremendous breakout force. Even challenging materials can be excavated efficiently, making the CAT 6015B a valuable asset in large mining operations. Once the second bucket is full, the operator raises it and swings back toward the truck. Another huge load pours into the bed, and just like that, the truck is nearly or completely full. This is where the phrase, two-pass loading, comes from. Instead of requiring multiple smaller loads, the excavator can often fill a truck with only 2 massive buckets. That's incredibly efficient and one of the reasons these giant machines are so productive. The trucks working alongside the CAT 6015B are just as important to the operation. Mercedes and MAN heavy-duty dump trucks are built to transport huge amounts of material across rough mining terrain. Their reinforced frames and powerful engines allow them to carry heavy loads while handling steep grades and difficult conditions. Together, the excavator and the truck form an efficient team that keeps the mining operation running smoothly. Mining is all about moving material as efficiently as possible. Every minute counts, and equipment downtime can be extremely expensive. That's why reliability is one of the most important qualities in a machine like the CAT 6015B. Caterpillar designs these excavators to operate for long hours under harsh conditions, handling dust, heat, vibration, and heavy workloads day after day. Looking closely at the excavator, you'll notice the massive undercarriage supporting the entire machine. The wide tracks help distribute its weight while providing stability on uneven ground. This allows the excavator to work safely and efficiently, even in challenging terrain. The strong track system also helps reduce ground pressure and provides excellent traction during operation. The operator's cab is another impressive feature. Positioned high above the ground, it provides excellent visibility of both the digging area and the truck being loaded. Modern mining excavators are equipped with ergonomic controls and advanced monitoring systems that help operators work efficiently during long shifts. Good visibility and precise controls improve both productivity and safety on the job site. Hydraulic power is the heart of the CAT 6015B. High-pressure hydraulic systems control every movement of the boom, stick, bucket, and swing mechanism. These systems are engineered to deliver tremendous force while maintaining smooth operation. Watching the excavator perform its loading cycle shows just how effective modern hydraulic technology has become. One thing that stands out during this operation is the coordination between the excavator operator and the truck driver. Timing is critical. The truck must be positioned correctly to receive the load, while the excavator operator must place each bucket accurately to distribute the material evenly. Good teamwork helps reduce loading times and keeps the entire operation moving efficiently. Dust and debris are part of everyday life in mining operations. As each bucket empties into the truck, clouds of dust rise into the air. The rough terrain, heavy loads, and constant movement create an environment where machines must be built tough. Equipment like the CAT 6015B is specifically engineered to handle these demanding conditions. Fuel efficiency is another important factor in mining. Giant machines consume significant amounts of fuel, so manufacturers continually work to improve engine performance and hydraulic efficiency. By moving more material in fewer cycles, machines like the CAT 6015B help reduce operating costs while increasing productivity. The scale of these operations is truly incredible. A single excavator can load truck after truck throughout the day, moving thousands of tons of material during a shift. Whether it's coal, ore, overburden, or rock, the goal is always the same: move material quickly, safely, and efficiently. For heavy equipment enthusiasts, there's something fascinating about watching these giant machines work. Every hydraulic movement, every bucket load, and every truck departure showcases years of engineering and technological development. It's a reminder of the incredible equipment required to support modern mining and construction industries. As this CAT 6015B continues its work, it demonstrates exactly why hydraulic mining excavators play such an important role around the world. Massive digging power, efficient loading cycles, precise hydraulic control, and dependable performance make this machine one of the true giants of the mining industry. Watching a truck filled in just 2 passes is an impressive display of productivity and engineering excellence. Another impressive aspect of the CAT 6015B is its ability to maintain a steady working rhythm throughout the shift. Experienced operators develop a consistent loading pattern, carefully matching the excavator's cycle time with the arrival and departure of haul trucks. This reduces idle time for both machines and helps maximize production. Watching the excavator complete one loading cycle after another without unnecessary delays shows just how important planning and operator skill are in a large mining operation. Safety is also a major priority whenever equipment of this size is in use. The excavator operator and truck drivers rely on clear communication and established procedures to keep the loading area safe. Trucks approach from designated routes, stop in the correct loading position, and wait for the operator's signal before moving out. Modern mining sites also use advanced monitoring systems and regular equipment inspections to help prevent unexpected problems and keep these giant machines operating safely in demanding conditions. The teamwork between the excavator and the trucks keeps the operation running like a well-oiled machine. Bucket after bucket, load after load, these incredible machines help move enormous amounts of material every single day. It's hard not to appreciate the skill of the operators and the engineering that makes it all possible. Thanks for watching this amazing CAT 6015B excavator in action. If you enjoyed seeing this giant machine loading Mercedes and MAN trucks with incredible efficiency, make sure to like the video, leave a comment telling us which heavy machine is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to Mighty Machinery channel for more amazing videos of big machines. We'll see you in the next adventure with another incredible piece of heavy equipment.